AI is artificial intelligence. It's really just the study of trying to make fake intelligence. It's something we've been doing for thousands of years. If you've ever read Pinocchio or Frankenstein, or perhaps more recently, HAL or Data, all of that is artificial intelligence. Now, within artificial intelligence, there have been many technological advances over the years. First came machine learning. That allowed the computers to start learning stuff and predicting behaviors. If you have Spotify or Netflix recommendations, then you've experienced machine learning. Then we get to deep learning. Deep learning's fascinating because it recreates the way that humans think with these neural networks. And that allows the machine to do more complex things. If you've ever talked to your phone, or if you've seen a Waymo or one of those autonomous vehicles driving itself, that's deep learning. But a few years ago, something big happened. Suddenly, we started seeing ChatGPT everywhere. And what does that T stand for? It stands for transformer. A transformer means we're taking old information and we're not just predicting what you're going to watch. We're actually going to create brand new information, transform it into something new. And what really revolutionized this were these large language models, a type of transformer that could take language and predict brand new language so that it allows you to communicate in your language. And over time, those have become multimodal. Now they can look at pictures, create images, create video. But in the end, AI, it's something you've been living with probably your whole life. The only difference now is thanks to generative AI, these large language models, you have access to the same technology that was once only in the hands of the rich and powerful. There are lots of AI interfaces and tools out there. So which ones should you be working with and which ones might not be worth your time? Well, at the core, everything's built on the same few models. So if you're using ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, Gemini, you're basically 80% of the way there. In those tools, you talk and you get answers. There are other tools that might also be useful. For instance, using chat-based interfaces to create AI videos, or to use chat AI interfaces and create entire computer programs. But in the end, right now, if I were you, I'd be focusing on one of those basic AI tools, because with that, you can basically build anything else you need.